Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
Ìròyìn á máa pọ̀ sí i, ìdùnnú á máa pọ̀ sí i, àwọn ọmọ á máa pọ̀ láàfin, ìfẹ́ ní á máa pọ̀ sí i, olórí á máa pọ̀ sí i. Ṣé inú bàbá rẹ̀ yóò dẹ̀ kanlẹ̀? Ẹlẹ́ni yóò kanlẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ nìyí. Ẹ bá mi ṣe kábíyèsí fún bàbá. Kábíyèsí is the husband of my youth. I enjoy calling him that. God bless him for me. Huh? I'm still a youth. Mama youth run on me. So thank you so very much. Thank you. And know this that we love you. I would always say we go up. We love you so much. People that love we go love we. And the people that love we look at our princesses of the stars. Look at love me. Look at our pasero. We always love you. I know they love you so much, my darling. More money. Everyone, please say thank you to Kábíyèsí for me. Wọ́n pẹ́ lórí ìtẹ́ yìí, wọ́n lè pẹ́ fún wa. Wọ́n lè sí mi. Kàtúwà tẹ̀síwájú, mo ṣì wà nílé àwọn ọkọ mi, ilé àwọn bàbá mi àti àwọn màmá mi. Mo délé mo rí àwọn màmá, mo délé mo rí àwọn bàbá. The family of Ogunwusi has deeply touched my spirit today. So much. Àwọn ìdílé bàbá, they've been wonderful today. They've been so wonderful, not just today. I actually did not plan anything like this, to be honest. Mo kàn ní kí n jí láàárọ̀, kí n gbé Ọlọ́run tóbi, kí n bẹ̀ lọ sùn ni. But you see, it's been a covenant of God upon my life. Ọdọọdún ni wọ́n máa ń ṣe bí orò ni. And so I said this year, I just want to sleep and say thank you to God in the living room. And one of Kábíyèsí's sisters, Yeyetu, wọ́n pè mí, wọ́n ní báwo la ṣe fẹ́ ṣe tọdún yìí. And I just didn't know how to say, mo fẹ́ sùn, mo fẹ́ jí ni. Mo ní bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe ní ká ṣe ṣe ni. And to the glory of God, for those who are close to me, they will know that it's not really, I don't know how to put it. How could this have been me alone? They stood by me, every one of them. So cool, like, bàbá mi gidi ni wọ́n. Mo kí yín o. Mo fi ti Adétadé kí yín. Ẹ jẹ́ kí yín dáadáa. Mo fi Adétadé kí yín. Gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ lára máa bá wọn wá. Àwọn tó máa dáná fún sòpò wà nílé wa. A máa so jẹ fún wọn. Ìgbà tí mo kọ́kọ́ rí sòpò, mo sọ fún Kábíyèsí mi ní sòpò tàn mọ́lẹ̀. Àwa tí kọ́kọ́ ìyá bẹ̀ yẹ. Soko is handsome inside, is handsome outside. Need introduction. One fine girl is the delight of many beautiful women. Kábíyèsí tí bá ṣàyí òmìnirí ìmọ̀. Àìsàn yìí kan gbogbo ọmọge lórí. Kábíyèsí ẹ ti pọ̀ jù. Ẹ pọ̀ gan, àìlá yìí sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n ní ká ọ̀rọ̀ máa jẹ́ díẹ̀. Baba handsome more with a joke. He's in his own class of handsomeness. I said he's tallest among men. And they got me a zero point to that. Honestly, you go with that like there's a wallet and wallet. Baba, a hands gone. You are my bubble. Baba, tí wọ́n wo ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ dáadáa. Mo tún wá fẹ́ kí ọmọ ọba gidi tó fò gidi Prince Adétúnjí Ògúnwùsì láti mèrè wọn ní wonderful. I am very honored. I will say I never knew that you can honor me this way. Daddy, I never knew that you can honor me this way. I never knew that you can honor me this way. I say honor me this way. Thank you, Daddy. God bless you, sir. Èmi nìkan tán, ẹ pọ̀ gan-an. Tabali bàbá, tabali mo sọ pé àwọn pọ̀ gan ni. Thank you, sir. Ẹ kú ìfẹ́ mi. Èmi ti ní tíntín náà. God bless you, sir. Gbogbo èkó ló wọ bí lẹ́nìí. Cat gbogbo lè ṣe àjẹwà ń bí just for this little me. Ẹ ṣe gan ni, sir. And àwọn yèyé mi gangan, like I said the other time, they helped put this together. It was their, how do I put it? One inspired me, one the spirit love. So thank you, ma. Ẹ ṣe gan ni látorí ìyé Fọláṣadé mọ́mì mi ní ilé òkè òtórúkọ yẹn pè. Títí dé ìyé Adéṣọlá àdé ìyé Adébímpé, ìyé Folúṣọ́. Gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n máa ìyá Adébímpé máa ń kó sí orí mi gan ni. Tó bá ti wọ ọbẹ̀ ó máa ń wú ni, màá ní ṣé mi náà. Ó ní wọ́n ṣe máa ń ṣẹ́jú mọ́ mi, bàbá lórí ojú yẹn. Orí yẹn máa ń lẹ̀ gan ni. Ìyá tí mo ti rójú yẹn lára bàbá ni mi ti lọ mọ́. Mo ní mo dé sílé bàbá mi. Ẹ ṣé gan ni, thank you to all the family members. And to the very beautiful princess of the source, very bona fide, first before any. God bless you. She's ìyá mi nìyẹn, you know, she's my husband's heart. Princess Adiola, God bless you. I am so honored o. Èmi náà, ìyá ọkọ mi, ẹ ṣé gan ni, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Thank you for coming. All the way from Abuja, everywhere, the ojú yẹn, wọ́n á yọjú sí mi. Thank you. And to all the princesses of the source. Ẹ̀yin tẹ máa ń múnú bàbá fún tẹ máa fi sọ́ọ̀sì sínú ata wọn. Tẹ máa jẹ́ kó ní Yorùbá flavour nú. Tí wọ́n á ní pẹ́pẹ́. Ẹ ṣé gan ni. God bless you. Mo rí yín mo kí ẹ kí bàbá kan rárẹ̀rìn mú sẹ́nu. Ó wọlé sí wọn lára. Mo rí gbogbo yín o. God bless you. Princess Fọláṣadé, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, there is another daughter of Kábíyèsí in here. Òyìnbó ni wọ́n. Níjọ́ tí mo rí orí, oh my goodness. Ẹ fọ́ ìyí gan ni. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀? Ẹni tó jẹ́ ní òkú ló ṣe lè bí pupa nìyẹn. Ẹ mọ̀, tí a bá pa gbogbo náà bí iná sì máa wà. Àbẹ̀wò jẹnẹrétọ̀. That's your adopted daughter of Kábíyèsí. God bless you, Dr. Elizabeth Jacqueline. You are wonderful. You are amazing. In fact, I just said maybe she would come. Or she would and you honored me this way and you are looking so beautiful this night. God bless you. God bless you. I don't want to take too much time, but I said I must do it. With the fellow that I want to leave by ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún sọ́dọ̀ wòlíì ká tó máa bọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ yẹn Naomi tó rọ̀tọ̀ láyé wọn ìyá nìyá yẹn Prophetess Mary Olúborí ọlá ń bí wọn nú ní òkè wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn ọlá màmá yẹn máa ń bí ìrọ̀lú gan ni ma. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Wọ́n ní yé blọ́ọ̀gì yín. Wọ́n máa blọ́ọ̀gì wa lọ ni. God bless you ma. Ẹ ṣé ẹ kú ìdìde. Thank you for beating the traffic and everything and for supporting and making sure we have a beautiful night today. Ẹ ṣé gan ni ma. God bless you. Mo kí yín o. Àwọn family mi, àwọn èèyàn mi, God bless you. But I didn't know, you know, I would have married you if you were another one. Can't consider this honestly, but ever. I need a family. So, God bless you, my darling brother, my sweet brother. But I fear, thank you for still staying with me and standing by me. Priscilla Yatabita Osheo Monifeo. Thank you, Similoluwa. I love you so much. I love you. Thank you for representing. I can't be all up in people's faces, but you do that for me. Thank you. Thank you. Anytime. I'm also getting love. Kábíyèsí gan nìyẹn. Nígbà tí mo gbọ́ pé oh my God, àwọn tí mi lè bọ́ sí mi lé. Orúkọ yẹn dùn gan ni. God bless you. God bless you. Everyone who has come from all the queens that came from their kingdom to celebrate with me. Everyone who made today possible. If I did not mention your name, then I might get back. If I just didn't mention your name, know that I can't spend the whole day being you know, but I love everyone that is in here. Thank you for coming out tonight. Thank you for waiting and being patient with us. Lord, may you shake on. Thank you for representing me here in the all the time. God bless you. God bless you. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin bàbá àti màmá olórí. Àwọn ọba aládé tó jáde. Gbogbo àwọn ará inú ààfin. Ẹ kú fẹ́ mi. Ẹ ṣé gan ni. God bless you. Ẹ lọ́wọ́ ọ̀tọ́jú lára mi. Ẹ ṣé. Thank you for God bless you for coming tonight. And I hope that you enjoy the rest of tonight because kò tí ì tán. Orí wà lára wọn gan, ijó dẹ̀ wà lára àwọn èèyàn. So but I just really must say thank you before everyone leaves and they did not hear my Thanksgiving. Ẹ ṣé gan ni. Thank you all. Ẹ ṣe sùúrù. Ẹ má jẹ́ àbùkù. I must say thank you to my mother. Kábíyèsí ó ní mo ṣe kẹ́ mi. Ó ṣe díẹ̀ máa rán mi létí mi. Ẹ mọ̀ pé tí yín náà ní queen mother. God, thank you for reminding me. My mom is awesomely blessed by God. She's an amazing woman. You know, she's got this aura, this love within her that radiates on the outside of her. She's just awesome. Honestly, I'll come back there. So hands. Thank you. Mary. What did she learn? I give you 1 million. Talking about only 1 million. Share with me. But truly my mom is very wonderful. She's been through all the stress for me. I get really agitated when things are not working, but she's always there. Somebody see me and see, I don't know, she's like a friend to me. I don't know how to keep friends. Whatever she did me at your papa, I definitely understand the spirit in me. You know, sometimes I'm smiling, sometimes I'm not. And she's always there. You know, she's a wonderful woman, wonderful. She would serve me and do everything for me. She still pampering me. And it's a like, Mama, so joke, very now. You know, Mommy is just awesome. She's been everywhere with the chef, with the people handling, with the call, with everything. She's event planner, manager, money piece, advisor, pastor, prophetess. That is that one only yes, moving forward. I only man do a lot of days. Then more. But I'm just saying that Mommy is just awesome. She's a wonderful woman. Okay, the one woman that is more beautiful. Gbogbo obìnrin ló máa ń jẹ́. Wọ́n àbẹ̀ ọ̀gọ́ni. Ádìsí ló já mi sí pé wọ́n máa ń fò wọ́n ní ìyẹ̀ so èmi náà wá jókòó sórí ìyẹ̀ yẹn dáadáa ká lè máa fò. So Mommy, God bless you ma. Ẹ ṣé gan ni, ẹ ṣé gan ni. Eshigoni, I must say thank you to my daddy in absentia too. I got his phone call very early in the morning to say you are blessed. I'm blessed to have you as a daughter. And we have your support and prayers. Thank you, Daddy, wherever you are. Mami, ọmọ Kẹ́hìndé, Èjìrí ará Àṣokùn, Ògúnṣèyí, ọmọ Olóńdó Ẹ̀gbin. Ẹ ṣe wà nílé ìsọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, a gbọ́ pẹ̀lú òǹdó lọ, torí a lọ kábíyèsí. Àgbọ̀n púpọ̀ bá gbọ́ pẹ̀lú ìfẹ́. Mo gbọ́ gan ni bọ̀ ṣe bàbá sọ́lé ìdílé àmà sọ lọ́tọ̀ mi. Bàbá, Ese, Lórí, àwọn bára, ẹsẹ̀ bára, àsìkò. Aṣá lè ṣe yẹn, ibẹ̀ náà nìyẹn, ṣẹ̀wọ̀n ìpín ẹ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe kù náà ká ṣe lè ṣe oṣù kù sílẹ̀, ọjọ́ mi. So thank you very much, thank you all for making me smile. It's a whole lot of effort. Ẹ ò pé bàbá kan máa ń rẹ́rìn-ín, mo ló lè ka pọ̀ tá láìpọ̀, ó kàn máa ń rẹ́rìn-ín ní sẹ́ẹ̀, nínú ẹ máa ń múyàn wọ́n lẹ́nu, ó ṣẹ̀wọ̀n ẹni tí wà ní skáàsì, ó skáàsì nínú ìdí alápàtà tó ní bàbá, ó skáàsì kan ni. So ẹni tí wọ́n ló máa àjọ sí ojú tèmi, ṣẹ̀wọ̀n. So thank you all for taking me as I am. I love you so much. I'm deeply grateful that this day is this awesome. I didn't think you would come out for me like this. I didn't come there and keep going on. I say thank you to him for coming my way and making me his mother. Eshigoni, my very honorable guest, Fadeshola, I love you. Thank you. Eshigoni, so the music can continue.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.